Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 337th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. I'm very excited to share with all of you this next recipe. We're going to make some cinnamon raisin bread. I love this growing up. My grandmother used to make it for me and my brother all the time. It is the bomb.com. It's going to be full of cinnamon raisin goodness, delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. Your whole family is going to love this recipe. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breads recipes playlist and my previous video, homemade whipped cream. I'll also post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your loaf pan, your flour, your ground cinnamon, and your raisin sugar, because we're about to bake some cinnamon raisin bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of warm evaporated milk that let come to 110 degrees. And we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of pat light brown sugar to help feed the yeast. And 1 package of active dry yeast. Going to give that a quick stir. And we're going to let it sit until the yeast risen for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, this is what the yeast look like. Big and puffy. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to move on to the dough. Alright my friends, in my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, we're going to add in the yeast mixture. 2 large eggs at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 6 tablespoons of canola oil. And we're going to mix the wet ingredients until they're nice and well incorporated. On medium speed. Alright my friends, now I switch from the paddle attachment to the dough hook. We're going to add in the dry ingredients. In my bowl I have 3½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, and I mix it all together. And we're going to add a little at a time. We're going to mix on medium speed. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of raisins. And we're going to knead it until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what the dough looks like. Alright, that looks great. I have placed my bread dough into a large bowl that I greased with baking spray. So now we're going to cover it. You can use a towel or a plastic wrap, and we're going to put it in the warm plate. You can put it in the microwave or in the oven, and we're going to let it rise until it doubles in size for about 1 hour. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our dough has doubled in size, so now we're going to punch a hole in the middle to release the air. So on the flour surface, we're going to pull our dough down. And we're going to knead it a few times. Oh, this is a soft and squishy dough. All right. So now we're gonna flatten it into a rectangle. All right, that's good. So now we're gonna sprinkle some brown sugar cinnamon mixture on top. In my bowl, I have 1/3 cup of packed light brown sugar with 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon and 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. I'm just gonna spoon it on top of the dough. Smells good. You know, I'm gonna do this with my hands. It's a cook's best tool. Just spread it all over the dough. All right, my friends, so now we're gonna roll it real tight. And now we're gonna place the dough into a greased loaf pan. All right, my friends, so now we're gonna cover the bread and we're gonna let it proof again for 30 minutes. All right, my friends, now we're ready to put our cinnamon raisin bread in the oven. We're gonna put it in a preheated 375-degree oven and we're gonna let it bake for about 40 to 50 minutes. All right, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Ain't nothing like the smell of freshly baked bread. Whether it's raisin bread, yeast rolls, sourdough bread, you name it. Bread is incredible. You can smell it all over the house. I have taken my cinnamon raisin bread out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that looks. So now I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes on the wire rack. And then I'll put it on my cake stand and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Cinnamon raisin bread. Doesn't that look good? And you can see the cinnamon brown sugar swirl in the middle. My mouth's watering. All right, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Oh, hold on. One more thing I gotta add. I like to add a little butter on my bread. Looks mighty tasty. All right, here we go. Light and tender. Ooh, the raisins is plump and juicy. And I love that cinnamon sugar. It brings me back to my childhood. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all gonna enjoy this. This deserves another bite. Cinnamon raisin bread delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.